There he's going again. Let him stay up. See the bubbles coming up? He's going to come up.
That's him? Hey, now I got line back.
We got bubbles. Slow down.
Can you come and help my back here? No, don't use that. Use your new trinket.
This is going to be easier, I think, right now.
Now you're staying over here. Hey, Dad, look, I'm controlling him. I'm telling him where and not to go. I got bubbles. I got bubbles again. God, jeez.
Keep him snug. Get your rod tip out away from the boat there.
Oh, this hurts.
Having trouble walking and chewing. There he is. He came up. Okay. There he come up. Reel up a little more line. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Good. Okay, here he comes. I'm going to try to net this thing. And there he is.
Dad, come on.
I'm going to try to net and video at the same time. Slow down. And I don't know how this is going to work. Okay, that's enough.
Here, let me help you.
Don't horse him up. Just bring him up slow.
Dad, get the net ready. Here he comes. I can't even reel.
Okay, tilt your rod down. Tilt your rod down. Now reel a little bit.
I can't.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, lift slowly and carefully. Slow down.
You try bringing him in.
There he comes around. Okay, reel up just a little bit more. There you go. Good.
I'm bringing him to you. I'm bringing him to you.
There he is.
Is that bigger than Josh's?
No.
Oh.
Okay, we got him in the bag here. And
Hello.
we're going to try to get a measurement on this guy.
Here.
Stick your pole in the rod holder.
Here, I'll take the camera.
Okay.
Oh, jeez, that hurt. Woo! Hey, Dad. Do you think he's a keeper?
He might be.
Ooh, I can just smell it. Sturgeon. Sturgeon a la mode. What? It would be good.
Hand me that pliers back there.
These ones? Here you go.
All right.
Oh, never mind.
We got her. Okay, stick the pole in over here.
He's like, I'm
Over
free
here?
from the hook. Just
Okay, you can stop the video.
Okay. Hold on, one last look. And there you got it, Dad. Bye-bye.